3 years ago, I was charging $150 per edit and living with my girlfriend's parents. Hunched over a tiny desk right beside my sleeping girlfriend and newborn son, wondering if I should just ditch my dreams for another desk job. I thought maybe the market's too saturated, that all of the high-paying clients had plenty of options. Now I get offers for $2,000 to $5,000 projects, and I literally have to turn most of them down because my calendar is full. And I realized that the market isn't oversaturated. It's that 100% of the big creators only want the top 1% of editors and ignore everyone else. But I know what you might be thinking, and no, it wasn't because I learned fancy effects, retention editing, or spammed out thousands of cold emails. In fact, it had nothing to do with the YouTube algorithm. It had everything to do with the human algorithm. Because YouTube trends might change, but the human mind hasn't changed for thousands of years. I stopped chasing editing hacks and instead created an editing philosophy, a psychological system to make addicting content, no matter the niche or platform. This system enabled me to land Will Tennyson, who has over 4.3 million subscribers as a client, and took him from 200 to 400K views a video to 2.1 million views on my first project. And this wasn't some one-off miracle. Since then, I've been consistently getting results like this from massive clients like Jeff Nippard and Exercise for Cheat Meals. I actually recently crossed over 1 billion views garnered from my edits, and I've turned this system into something any editor or creator can copy and paste into their business. So if you give me just 5 minutes, I'll explain exactly what this system does. Because with it, Ashley was able to go from months with no work to getting clients again fast, and finally feeling like she had control over her editing career.
I went from charging $100 per edit to $400 per edit.
Because she learned the emotional timing method that makes viewers respond without even realizing why. By the way, Elite Editor Academy is now 40% off for Black Friday. This is the only discount I will ever do, and it's the exact blueprint to steal the little-known tactics of top creators and leverage deep human psychology. This enables you to attract consistent, high-paying clients and charge more for your edits, so you can work less and actually enjoy the freedom lifestyle that comes from being an elite editor. But that's not everything, because I've been making something in the shadows. Along with the 40% off, you'll get access to an exclusive new resource, the Elite Client Blueprint. Because after helping countless students 10x their skills and income, I've realized the biggest problem with editors is they advance until they meet a bottleneck, an invisible constraint that's freezing their progress. This blueprint shows you exactly what to focus on at each income stage to continue advancing your career and your bank account. A student followed this exact roadmap and landed a $2,500 a month retainer within 3 videos, and it's completely free to anyone who enrolls during the Black Friday sale. Now is the time to become an elite editor and unlock high-paying clients like Justin, who is able to go from sending messages that never got any replies to landing a YouTuber with 800,000 subscribers paying him $1,200 per video from just 5 outreach messages, because he learned the vault positioning method that makes your outreach stand out instantly. So clients feel like they finally found the editor who gets their channel. And then there's a Moog, who went from being stuck at a tiny retainer and overthinking every edit to realizing the problem wasn't his VFX at all. It was that clients couldn't feel his storytelling. Once that shifted, everything started moving fast.
I was stuck at a $300 retainer for years now. And after applying Josh's system, I raised it to $2,000 a month with less work. Clients instantly took me more seriously. It changed everything.
Because he learned the cinematic psychology framework that makes even simple scenes feel emotional and premium. So clients immediately feel the upgrade and pay more just to keep them. Picture this. You have 3 paths in front of you. The path on the left, you keep doing what you're doing, wasting years figuring things out the hard way, watching elite editors land your dream clients while you remain stagnant. But look, if you made it this far in the video, I know you refuse to go down this path. So there's a middle path. You leave this video and try to figure this stuff out on your own. Spend thousands on books, courses, mistakes, overwhelmed and distracted from all the different resources out there, running the risk of burning out before they ever see success. But finally, the right path. the path the Elite Editor Academy paved for you. Gain instant clarity on what works and why, follow a proven system that guarantees results, eliminate years of wasted time and frustration, and reach your highest potential as an editor. So click the link below and enroll in Elite Editor Academy. Within a matter of minutes, you'll have access to the exact system that's gotten me to where I am, added thousands of dollars a month to Will Tennyson's income, helped one student land a $2,400 per edit client with a single strategic outreach message, and helped another student land 3 clients paying over $1,000 per edit. This discount plus the Elite Client Blueprint bonus ends on December 1st at midnight. There will not be another sale like this. I can't even promise it will be this good next Black Friday. So click the link where you'll see dozens of testimonials and can enroll before time runs out.